All right. Good morning, guys. Here we go. Hey, today's assignment and Monday's assignment has to do with classifying dragons of Nitram. So what I'm going to do is go through a video, show you my screen, go through step by step how you would do this, okay, and give you some examples. All right. So as you can see on my screen here, imagine you're a famous explorer and biologist. You have recently arrived at the planet Nitram, and your job is to classify these organisms. We're going to call them, for lack of a better term, dragons. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is look at the dragons. Notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those dragons, and they have traits. Okay, so we're going to take a look at those traits. Okay, Draco, we have length, legs, wings, body covering, where they live, and what they feed on. Okay, all of these things are going to be taken into account. Okay, so the first thing is to read through the dragons to see what traits you're looking at. This is important. Okay, so make sure you pause the video right now and read through the traits. Now you have 2 days, to do this assignment, but you can probably get it accomplished in one if you work at it. Okay, and that gives you a day off. So that's kind of cool. All right, so first part, here is our dragons. Next, it says develop a classification system for the dragons. Well, that's what you're going to be doing down here, developing this classification system. We've given you the chart already, and then you're going to be making your classification system down here. Okay, but let's go back up. Okay, so it says develop a system. How are you going to devise your system? What are you basing it on? Hint, probably basing it on the traits of each dragon. Okay. Then number two, you might want to come back to. It says based on what you've seen over the evolution of these dragons, which one seems to be more closely related? Meaning, which one seems to be most alike? Okay. All right. So when I do this assignment, here's what I like to do. Okay, I like to go through key each dragon out first. So, for example, let's go back up to Draco. It's about 5 to 6 meters tall. Okay, it's 5 to 6 meters tall. That'd be right here. So I'd put an X right there. Okay. It has 4 legs. Okay. So now I'm going to put an X right here in the 4 legs part. There we go. Okay. Does it have wings? 2 bat-like wings. Okay. So it has wings. Good. Okay. So 2 bat-like wings. I'm going to put that there. Okay. Able to fly. Some have wings and can't fly. So, so we're going to be able to fly. Okay, I go back up. Body covered in scales, lives in the mountains, feeds on large animals. Scales, mountains, animals. Okay, so scales. Do I have scales? No. Okay, mountains. So I'm going to put mountains here. Okay. Um. Uh. The mountains feeds on large animals. Okay, food. Probably say large animals. I'm just going to say LA for short for now. And is there any other information I need to know? Okay, not at this point. Okay, and I can reduce that smaller if I need to. So we delete that a little bit. Maybe I want to make that a little bit smaller. So I'll drop that down to 8 and see if that helps. Okay, got it. All right, whoops. Now, why did it do that? Okay, looks like I'm in the wrong spot. So I'm going to put my X there. See, we make mistakes here. So we'll back that up like that, and we'll back this up like so. And we'll delete this. All right. So no feathers, lives in the mountains. Okay, and I'm going to put large animals. Okay, that's Draco. Now I have my traits. Okay, let's do one more together. This video should help you out. Okay, it's kind of weird when I don't look straight at the screen. It's kind of wild. Okay, now go back to Quetzalcoatl. Okay, about 2 meters long. So I go, oh, it's about 2 meters. Now, is it less than 2 or just 2? So, I mean, we got to look at 2 to 3, 2. So it says 2 meters. So approximately 2 meters long. So I want to put an X right there. Does it have legs? Okay, 2 legs again. So I got 2 legs. Oh, not 4, 2 legs. Okay, not 4 legs because Draco had 4 legs. I got two bird-like wings. Two bird-like wings. Okay. All right. And then able to fly. Okay. It's able to fly. So I put an X there. Okay. It has feathers. Okay. It's green and red feathers. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to reduce my number here and put green and red. Green and red. It's so I know I have feathers. All right. Tropical jungles. Okay, so it lives in the jungles. I reduce this again, put jungles. Okay, I'll go back up. Eats fruit and small animals. So it eats fruit and small animals. So I got two things here. Fruit, F-R-U-I-T. It's not typing here. R-U-I-T. And I'm going to say small animals. Okay. Kind of see how we're doing this now. Okay, so I'm going through and keying out each one of these traits. Now, when I come down here, okay, I have to look at the major difference between, again, a dichotomous key. I want to break things up into two separate groups, okay, right off the bat. So as I look through here, I got 4 legs, 2 legs, 4 legs, okay, 4 legs, 4 legs, 2 legs. Okay, what do you notice here? I got a bunch of animals with 4 legs and a couple with 2 legs. Okay, and so that might be a way to break that first trait up. I got wings, 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 wings. Okay, no wings, wings. Okay, so that's not really going to break it up into two groups. Okay, I do have one without wings. Yes, I do. Okay, but it looks like, okay, I got 2 bat-like, bird-like, bat-like, bat-like, no wings, and bird-like. Okay. And so when we start looking at how I'm going to break these up, I want to break them up into two separate groups right away. Okay. I'm thinking 2 legs and 4 legs. Okay. So what you could do here, it should be a yes or no question. Okay. As I have 2 legs, I'm going to go to 2. Okay. If I have 4 legs, I'm going to go to 5. Okay. Now, you can modify the table as you need to, so it doesn't have to always be over here, okay? So these may change over here, but this is a good way to start. I have 2 legs and I have 4 legs. Now, when I go to 2, okay, now I got to break those 2 legs down, those animals that have 2 legs, into more groups as well. Okay, what you're trying to do is make a dichotomous key that look like the identifying vertebrates key and the normals key. Okay, so that's what you're trying to do is make a dichotomous key. So you have this first part, you have your chart, and now you're coming up with the terms, you're coming up with, okay, the differences in those organisms. That's what you're trying to do is come up with those differences, okay? 2 legs, 4 legs, bat-like wings, bird-like wings, able to fly, not able to fly, feathers, no feathers, all of those things. Okay, breaking them down as we did. Okay, this is a culmination. This is a culmination, sorry, of everything we've done. Can you do this? Can you take creatures, make a chart, okay, and then create a dichotomous key. If you can do this, then you understand what's going on here. Okay. Um, Hopefully this helps out a little bit, but that's what you're doing step by step by step going through these things. Okay, let us know. Mrs. Johnson, Mr. Cagle, and myself, let us know what you need, how we can help you. Okay, we're always there to answer questions, but this should get you a good start. Now, does it have to start with 2 legs and 4 legs? No. Could I start with something else? Yes. Okay, I use 2 legs and 4 legs because that seems to break them up into two big groups right off the bat. And that's what I want to do is break them into two groups. Remember, dichotom is key. I'm breaking them down 2 by 2. Okay. Again, down here, this can change. This part right here, this can change. It doesn't have to be this exact if it's not going to work out. Okay. So you can change this part. We just gave you the chart and gave you the ways to get going. Okay. You may not use all this. That's okay. All right. So make your chart, and I've got you started on it right here. You just got to key out 4 more. Okay, and then start working down on your dichotomous key. And again, you're trying to make something that looks like your invertebrate or your vertebrate, extinct vertebrate key or your Nornos key. That's what you're trying to get to is those choices that you can go through. Okay, step by step. Right? Ask us questions. Thanks.